We're here live with Bryan Jackson, two favorite things. We had all the crew here today. We borrowed two helpers. We borrowed Dylan and Blake and Uncle Robert and Cody. And Dylan, he can't wait to get on camera, so here he goes.